Ramadan, the Sultan of 11 months, which was expected with great excitement, has arrived. Where to have iftar in Istanbul? Where are the best iftar places? For those who are wondering, we have searched for you the unique places where you can have your fast breaking in Istanbul. We chose venues that offer different price ranges to fit everyone's budget. Here are the best iftar places in Istanbul for you to enjoy the fast breaking meal with your loved ones. In order to be organized, we started from the places on the European side and finished our video on the Anatolian side. Of course, Ramadan in Istanbul is best on our boats. We gave priority to the presentations and prices of these beautiful boats. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel before starting video. Fast breaking meal program accompanied by Bosphorus cruise from Sahil Tur. A delicious, carefully prepared iftar meal menu and fazil and whirling dervishes will accompany your evening. You will have the pleasure of fast breaking in an evening full of love and beauties on the Bosphorus. Departure and return hours. 1845, Eminönü Maiden bus stops. 1910, Üsküdar City Lines Pier. Return time, 2200 hours. 300 TL per person. Phone 0533 455 01 52. Efterya Bouts. 300 TL per person. Since children will buy 2 chairs, the price for one person is counted. For reservation, you can reach Ms. Feliz on 0553 654 4745. Departure times are 1800 hours Eminönü, 1845 Üsküdar. Return hours are 2200 hours Eminönü, 2130 Üsküdar. Joy Boat Organization. Joy Boat Organization, the first departure from Kabadas is at 1845. The stop after the departure from the Maidens Tower Pier, just behind Petrol Ofisi, is the City Lines Ferry Pier, opposite the Üsküdar Marmara entrance gate. Thus, as of 1900 hours, we also receive our guests on the Anatolian side and continue. Return hours Üsküdar 22:15 Kabada 22:30. Accompanied by Bosphorus Tour 300 TL per person. Phone 0212 236 76 96. V. Hotels Boğaziçi Province's House Iftar Menu by the Bosphorus. 410 TL per person. Address Hyder Aliyev Street No. 110 GÖZESARIYER. Bosphorus Tepe. Boğaz Tepe Arabia with its rich menu and unique view, 380 TL per person. Address Cumhuriyet, Arabayola Street. No. 107, Sarıyer. Phone 0507 846 5200. GÖZESARIYER. Fast-breaking meal menu awaits you at GÖZESARIYER Cafe, with a breathtaking view of the Bosphorus and a wonderful breeze. At a full table full of delicious flavors, with a magnificent accompaniment full of delicious delicacies. Iftar menu is per person 265 TL. Address Mezarburnu Street, Kumsal Arkasi Street. No. 8 Sarıyer. Telephone number 0212 271 3040. Woki POİNT. Delicious iftar delicacies are with you at Woki POİNT Cafe and Restaurant. Don't miss the iftar menu at a discounted price. Menu fee per person, 350 TL. Address Mezarburnu Street 10B Sarıyer. Phone 0212 242 0061. Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality Social Facilities. Social facilities operating at 15 points by Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality are in action for the month of Ramadan. Social facilities will be open for you in other districts, especially in Efsaylar, Beykoz, Çamlıca, Fatihpaşa, Florya, Goldenhorn, İstini, Kasımpaşa, Topkapi. By paying an average of 60 TL for one person, you can spend one day of your Ramadan evenings in these social facilities. Contact 444 10 34. MMY Tantuni. MMY Tantuni, which does not prepare a special menu for Ramadan. By preparing a menu of your own choice, You can pay an average of 100 TL. You can have a satisfying and enjoyable iftar with these menus consisting of soup, tantuni, dessert, and beverage. Address: Yeni Bosna Center Street East West, Boslivler Yeni Bosna. Contact 0212 777 50 54. KÖŞKYEŞİLKÖY. Quality service and Ramadan special fast-breaking menus. Menu fee per person, 225 TL. Address: Yeşilköy Neighborhood, Igdi Street. No 2 Bakırköy. Phone 0531 912 0601. ALARGABALIK. Spending your fast in ALARGABALIK will not only have you enjoying the delicious food, but you will also have an unforgettable experience accompanied by a unique sea view accompanied by live chapters. Tea is unlimited, menu fee per person, 380 TL. You can contact to make a reservation now. Telephone 0532 245 4242. Address: Besinkoy, Atatürk Koska Street No. 41 Florya Meniksi Sahil Bakırköy. Avliya Bosnak Kitchen Bayrampaşa. The products in the open buffet are renewed very quickly and are always hot fresh. Donuts are really delicious. Menu fee per person, 420 TL. Avliya address: Kakatip DSDRCT. Avazkoyla Street. Number 83 Bayrampaşa. Phone 0212 437 37 97. Golden Horn Ramada by Wyndham Istanbul. At the restaurant located at the entrance of the hotel, you can discover the special flavors of the world cuisine during your iftar meal. Per person menu fee, 490 TL. Address: Sutlus, İmrahor Street. Number 12 Beyoğlu. Phone 0212 255 8080. Kumkapı AFRODİT Fatih. Kumkapı AFRODİT Restaurant offers dinner and entertainment menu accompanied by live music with its pleasant atmosphere and wonderful tastes. Iftar menu per person 250 TL. Address: Saysavar Bey, Kaparas Street No. 53 Fatih. Phone 0212 517 22 61. Huqqam Lounge Fatih. Huqqam Lounge Terrace. A delicious iftar menu while watching Istanbul from the top is 300 TL per person. Address: Süleymanay, Ord Professor Dr. Semel Bursell Street No. 25 Fatih. Phone 0538 280 0897. Mahsun Usta. Enjoy incredible tastes with Mahsun Usta in a phenomenal place. It is enough to taste it once. It offers you a great iftar with the slogan, it is 449 TL per person. Address: Halkali Center, Mahmut Bey Street. No. 25 Küçüksekmez. Phone 444 60 70. Saafi DÖNER. It has 3 branches, namely Ikiteli Guns and Lake Panorama. Prices vary according to branches. Iftar menu is 410 TL in Ikiteli Gunesli places and 375 TL in Lake Panorama place. Ikiteli branch for reservation 0212 671 85 37. Nelly branch for reservation 0212 657 74 70. Lake Panorama branch for reservation 0212 871 81 81. ÇİDERHANE. It is a business open to innovation and renewal focused on hygiene, taste and the satisfaction of our guests, together with the Mediterranean side dishes, which brought its adventure of taste and success, which started in Mersin in 1996, to Istanbul in 2006 with the name of ÇİDERHANE. It has 3 branches in Basaksehir, Zeytinburnu and Florya. Iftar menu S 300 TL. Telephone 0532 519 0043. GALBA Cafe Üsküdar. GALBA, with its quality service and delicious Ramadan delicacies, your iftar table is ready at the restaurant. Your children are playing in the playground while enjoying pleasant conversations and peaceful moments with your loved ones. Address, Karazlatepe, Fastikli Bayer Street. No 70 Üsküdar. Phone 0552 557 88 61. Hollywood City Lounge Üsküdar. Place surrounded by the waters of the Fasili Bosphorus every day against the Maiden S Tower. Hollywood City Lounge invites you to meet with taste, accompanied by an endless sea view. Iftar menu per person 250 TL. Address, Aziz Mahmud Hudai, Semsi Pasa Bostani Street. No 62 Üsküdar. Phone 0533 196 72 99. Kalamış Paysage Iftar accompanied at the restaurant. Paysage, located in Kalamış Marina and attracting attention with its magnificent view, restaurant opens its doors to anyone who wants to experience its quality this Ramadan. Menu fee per person, 480 TL. Address, Fenerbahçe District, inside of Kalamış Marina, Munir Nurettin Selçuk Street. No 13 Kadıköy. Phone 0216 414 44 44. Lazİstanbul Kadıköy. You create your own menu in Lazİstanbul, while it is in the form of a menu everywhere. You can pay around 100 TL for the iftar menu consisting of soup, food, salad, dessert and drink. Address Halataga Street, Vahap Bey Street, No 14 Kadıköy. Contact 0216 348 34 53. Sahan Restaurant. Iftar price is 625 TL per person. 7 to 11 years old 250 TL. 0 to 7 years old is free. It is located in Ataşehir, Kadıköy, Pendik, Suadiye districts. For detailed information, you can call 0216 315 36 36 telephone numbers. Ihlamur Dali Pendik. Menu fee per person, 300 TL. There are 3 different menus and it can go up to 330, 370 TL. Address, Kurna District, Ekanizia Street No. 4, Pendik. Phone 0544 929 20 19. NEFES Cafe Sancaktepe. Sancaktepe Forest Park, across the Metro Tourism bus station, together with you with the iftar menu. For reservation you can call 0537 475 75 71. Menu fee per person, 350 TL. You can get a more affordable menu for 200 TL. We have listed our places for you, but if you want to have iftar in more luxurious places, the price will be quite high. Now, when we look at Istanbul's luxurious places current iftar price list. Four Seasons Bosphorus Aqua 3.350 TL. Sirigan Palace Kempinski Tugra 3.280 TL. Mandarin Oriental Bosphorus 3.025 TL. Raffles Hotel 2.500 TL. The Grand Arabia Hotel 1.900 TL. CVK Park Hotel 1.800 TL. Beatty Floria 1.750 TL. Zenep Feisgain 1.600 TL. Port Restaurant Galataport 1540 TL. Shangri-La Bosphorus Hotel 1525 TL. Borsa Restaurant Kandili 1350 TL. Swiss Hotel Bosphorus 1250 TL. Feray 1250 TL. Renaissance Polit Hotel 1.150 TL. Agia Hotel Kanlika 1.100 TL. Fairmont Quasar Hotel 1.100 TL. Sirali Kebab Meats 1.000 TL. We have come to the end of one of our videos. Please, if you have a place you like, do not forget to write it in the comments section that we missed. You can also follow our YouTube channel. We wish you a happy Ramadan.